Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life. And in today's video, we'll be trying some more of the wonderful products from Tyne Chease. I'm so excited to be able to try them, you am.
I'm really looking forward to trying some more of their products.
Me too. Ooh, shall we try the smoked and creamy cheese spread first, ma'am?
I think that's a great idea. Shall I go and get it ready?
Yes, please. We really can't wait to share some amazing news during the video as well. If you want to know what it is, stick around.
Looking forward to sharing this.
Me too.
Wherever you go, I'll follow. Whatever you do, I'll handle. I will walk on glass. I will run 10,000 miles and oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out.
Oh my gosh, it smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it, ma'am?
It really does. That's so good.
It really is. It's so lovely and smoky, so lovely and creamy. And I love how it melts in your mouth straight away too, do you?
I do. It's amazing.
It's absolutely incredible, isn't it?
It really is.
I try to walk between the raindrops, ride the waves of every storm. I thought our love was always worth fighting for. I'm standing on an empty rooftop, finding out where to begin. Time to let
Here is the creamy truffle. Oh, wow.
That is amazing, doesn't it?
It really does. You can smell the truffle straight away, can't you?
That is so amazing.
Wow, you get the taste of truffle straight away. Oh, it's incredible. Really can't wait to enjoy this on some crackers now.
I think that sounds like a great idea.
Today we thought we'd have the creamy garlic and chives. Oh,
That is
wow.
such an incredible smell.
It is, you can
You
smell,
can smell
the garlic.
and the chives.
This is going to go amazingly well on your bread, ma'am.
It's still nice and warm.
Wow. You can smell the garlic straight away, and you can taste the garlic straight away
You
too.
can.
Wow, that's absolutely incredible with the wonderful flavours. They've all been so wonderful and so lovely and creamy too. Would love to know in the comments which one you'd like to try.
I think that's a great question. Should we go and enjoy this now on my nice warm bread?
Yes, please. Ooh, the blue flame.
I'm really looking forward to this one.
Me too. Can't wait to smell it, can you?
Looking forward to this.
How's it look?
Looks amazing.
So you give it a smell.
Go on then.
Oh, that smells so good. Can I try it, please?
Of course you can.
hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more.
Here's the blue flame. Oh, what have we got with this?
That's really good.
It's so wonderful, so lovely, and so creamy. which is one thing that we love about Tyne Cheese, isn't it, Mum?
It is.
Mm. Oh, now I'm getting the spice.
I was just going to say, now it's coming through.
It's amazing to have the spice coming in afterwards.
It is.
Mmm. Not too spicy at all. It's really, really delicious.
And like an apple, I was soar through the air. I'll take you with me from this place of despair. Take me out to roam the world again. Take me out to roam the world. I was just a kid, but I was spending time with older company. Stories.
We really can't wait to share with you all some amazing news with Tyne Chease. Now, if you use the discount code Angharad TC, you get 15% off.
I think it's so amazing. We really can't thank Tyne Chease enough for giving the discount code for people who watch Angharads videos.
And if you do place an order, we'd love to know what you get.
That would be amazing.
Ooh, what should I do today, ma'am?
Shall we try?
Scorpion?
I think that's a great idea.
I wonder if I got the same reaction as I did when we were at the festival.
That was so funny.
It was. Come on then. Here it is. Oh, it smells amazing.
So
Oh, yeah.
That's so good. The lovely heat to it.
Definitely. And I like how it stays too.
It really does.
Oh, so delicious. Woohoo! Today we're going to try the marinara cheese. So, Cassie, Mum.
I'm really looking forward to trying this one.
Oh, smells amazing.
Really does. That's so good. It's so smooth.
It is, and all the incredible flavours too. It's absolutely wonderful. So delicious. This will definitely go well with some crackers.
I think so. Got some
Wow.
crackers. I'll cut some and we'll enjoy it with some crackers in a few minutes.
Oh, that's so incredible. I love it melts in your mouth too so quickly.
It does. It really does melt so well.
I love it cashew taste as well. Oh, wow. All of the cheese spreads and cheeses that we tried in this video have been so delicious, haven't they, Mum?
They really have. Could you choose a favourite?
I don't think so, but the one we tried today was absolutely incredible, wasn't it?
It really was. All of them have been so wonderful. Lots of different flavours.
Definitely.
I couldn't choose a favourite.
No, me either. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you have tried any of the Tyne Cheases.
I think that's a great question. And what cheeses people have tried from there and what are their favourites?
That would be absolutely amazing. Or if you haven't tried any of the Tyne Cheases, Which ones would you like to try?
That's a good question.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! Don't forget for your next order with Tyne Chease to use the discount code ANGHARADTC. And bye from Sarah too.